Hello guys, in this guide, I'll show you how to connect a 2.4 GHz wireless controller to your Windows laptop. The process is quick and easy, and most controllers connect automatically using a USB receiver. If your controller comes with a 2.4 GHz USB dongle, it connects through that receiver instead of using Bluetooth. This type of connection usually offers lower latency, making it a great option for gaming. Start by plugging the USB dongle into an available USB port on your laptop. If your controller includes a USB-A to USB-C adapter, use it if your laptop only has USB-C ports. The required adapter depends on your controller and laptop model. Once the USB dongle is connected, turn on your controller by pressing the power button. The location of the power button may vary depending on the controller model, so refer to your controller's manual if you're unable to find it. After powering on the controller, it should automatically pair with the USB dongle without requiring any additional setup. If the controller doesn't connect automatically, try turning on Bluetooth on your laptop. Although Bluetooth isn't normally required for a 2.4G controller, it may help with troubleshooting on some models. To do this, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices and enable Bluetooth and click Add Device. If your controller appears in the list of available devices, select it and complete the pairing process. If the controller still doesn't connect, unplug the USB dongle and try a different USB port on your laptop. Also, make sure the USB dongle is fully inserted, the controller has enough battery power, and it's turned on properly. That's all you need to do. Your 2.4G wireless controller should now be connected and ready to use with your laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.